Okay, I seen I seen some birds. I see there was two doves sitting up here waiting, and I got that red-headed cardinal, or it's a red-headed woodpecker, one of the two. I can't. He just come by for a second. Here comes the squirrel. Come on, come on. Hold on. Come on, get down there and get you one. I put three of them down there, and I broke two of them up for the birds. That squirrel might think he's a bird. I wonder where the birds went to. Hold on. Hurry up. Come on. Run. Come on and run. I think that's Lockjaw. There he comes right there. There he comes right there. That might be Lockjaw right there. That could be Lockjaw right there. That ain't Lockjaw. Now where you going with that one? Where you going? You gonna go bury that thing? That squirrel's got a pecan. He's going to hide that thing. Well, I don't see the birds. That's what I was looking for.